Oyo oligetie ekerogo ky'obujumbe korwa ase bunge ya Bonchari oyo boigoro mo director wa skuru ya St Mary's Juniors ime county ya Nakuru oyo eserieta Geoffrey Okindo nigo bona enanire amabaga 10 gose scholarship ochiasa abana bali bakorwa ase chiamate chitali kwenyara kolengana na Okindo nigatebire nenchere ya moyo gosira abana banyaruka bali bataranyora anchira yo kwenda ase skuru barangiritwe maiga yo goikaransera matemu yekirasi kya 5 na 3 aya nigagocha maiga yo gochengera ritiko lya Valentine's Day asa tebire libagelio nigo liabwatekanire kolengana no moyo goyo unenchere ya moyo kumunyora na kumosira omwana omunyaruka.
We gave a scholarship last round, 50 of them to be in full scholarship, but they only turned up 40 and the 10 didn't manage to come. Maybe because some reasons were good, because they got other scholarship opportunities and they opted to go the other side. But now that there are 10 chances, we want to extend our love to the needy child, a student who did last exam and she couldn't manage to report to school last week. We wish to give her a chance to report to St. Mary's Juniors Girls. For those good many reasons, St. Mary's Juniors Girls has given the girl child a chance to realize her dream for 4 years. So whoever wants to join us, just call our school number 0727 239 140 for better guidance and directions how to go about this scholarship. Elimisha msichana kwa manufaa ya kesho. That's our scholarship for the girl child.